Welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at Curlkeeper Original. You would have seen that I bought lots of stuff from naturallygirly.com, and this is one of it. So prior to this video, I washed my hair with Jamaican castor oil, shampoo and conditioner, and a few days ago I shared how I felt about it. It feels really soft. You can see, you know, it's really soft, and I don't feel like how I felt with other natural products which I have used, which made my hair feel very rough and very dried feeling. But this is really nice. You guys should try it. So coming to the Curlkeeper Original, okay, this one is basically a water-based formula. If you look at it, you can see how watery this is. It doesn't state to be a leave-in or a gel, anything like that. What's written here is total control for frizzy hair. That's about it. And this is a water-based formula which you can use it every day without product build-up because it's water-based. It is effective in all weather conditions, especially humidity, allowing your style to last for several days. Okay, what's very interesting about this, right, is that it reactivates with water. So the next day, if you feel some of the sides, if you're having frizz, you can just add in water and then reactivate the curls back again. So that's what I really find very interesting about this product. It's not like any other curly products in the market, and this really interests me. I've seen some influencers in YouTube and Instagram posting about this product, and they use this product alone, but every curl can be different. Sometimes you might need a leave-in before this or a gel after this, so that you can explore at your own on how or what your hair needs. But basically today, because of the purpose of me testing out this product, I'm going to use this alone, and when I get like a dry cast, I'm going to use oil to just fluff it out. So I think we should get started with the video now.
I hope to see you in Kera. I want to see you later. If you don't wanna come to me, Jakukela. I know you've been needing me some data. Ole big deal, ole simbi, ole munchi, ole belunchi. Main victims in a chili. Funa time or tune wendi. No more drama, no more fama. Yeah, wasana, hallelujah, you're my Hosanna. On you, all in every secret. On you, Benjamin Salis. On you, let me put it on you. On you, put it on you. Baby, on you, all in every secret. On you, Benjamin Salis. On you.
Okay, I'm back. I air dried my hair instead of diffusing, so it is still a little bit wet, but I can feel the cast already formed. So I'm gonna go ahead and fluff my hair and scrunch out that cast. Okay, I'm gonna be using Mop Top, the new oil that I bought, Mongongo oil, high in vitamin B. This is for normal, dry, damaged, color treated hair, suitable for straight, wavy, curly and coily. So this is from Mop Top, and I'm going to be using this to scrunch out my hair. I cast this much, like very little. Oh, it's getting down my hands. Okay, so I'm just going to scrunch out my curls now.
Lavu yo yamanyi kafungula mpete abalala mukene golindege. Tell the girl them ze bandeke ndingoma nena tebondege. One time or two time, three time or four time, till me say one time or two time. They run town, we run town.
No more drama, no more fama. Yeah, wasana, hallelujah, you're my Hosanna. On you, all in every secret. On you, Benjamin Salis. On you, let me put it on you. On you, put it on you. Baby, on you, all in every secret. On you, Benjamin Salis.
Yeah, so I am loving the results from just this one product that gave me. If you can see the definition, you can really see how defined those curls are. Yeah, but I don't know whether it will last me like for a few days, but I really like how it feels. It's really nice, very defined, and the volume is there. Just one product, guys. yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this for you guys. So let me know what you feel about this product, or if you have it, how do you use it? Leave that down in my comments below. All right, see you. Mok Top Mongongo oil. Mongongo oil. Very good. I never take out.